Gets very mad at phones. Don't know what the beef is, but he really doesn't like them at all.
Milo, das Ganze ist jetzt ein bisschen zu viel des Guten.
I'm a psycho.
Go commit crimes. No, not that one.
Oh my god.
Lift up your paw, and that goes into the lake. We're gonna. Oh, Elvis.
He's never failed to crack us up. Don't forget to share for more funny puppy moments every week.
Time consuming, and it's not as easy as it may appear to some.
Venga, venga, un poquito. Venga, 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 le echo. ¡Ay!
One plus one. Good boy. Okay, can you give me...
Me. Come on, get up. Baba, come on.
What is that?
Bruiser, what do you got?
Love you. We love you. I love you.
Hey, Bucky. You're so big and strong.
I guess it's never too early to get your dream body.
Yeah, Kiki wants to live.
It's not a person.
That's literally a
So this is what we do when we come to Target. And we're supposed to be working, but we're not working.
Gets very mad at phones. Don't know what the beef is, but he really doesn't like them at all.
We're here, Balance. Oh my gosh. Get down.
Порода называется редкостная свинья.
Okay. Lulu's ready. Papa's ready to chase Lulu. Jim is ready.
Yes? What are you doing? What are you doing?
In this rainy weather, everyone wants to be a cocoon.
Where y'all going? We're going to Papa. Oh. You gonna be happy.
There goes Family Rolling.
He's not just a good boy, he's a civic-minded boy. 10 out of 10 community service.
La experiencia os recuerdo que sirve también para subir de nivel, chicos, vosotros, como jugadores.
My God. Tell me what you want. What? Do you want to go home? You want your mommy? Oh. Oh my God.
Right, let's see how you go. Good boy. Good boy. Run. Go Susie.
What are you doing? Hello? Get.
Okay.
Excuse me. This is not a person.
Trying to get dressed for work and there's a cat
cat in my jeans. Viv, what are you doing?
Can I have your paw? Can I have your paw? Can I have your paw?
Hey, Bucky. You're so big and strong.
I guess it's never too early to get your dream body.
Yeah, because he wants to live.
Bruiser, what do you got? Hey.
Like, get away from that cow! Lola! Lola, no!
What are you doing? Huh? Where have you been? What? Where have you been? I know. Oh, it's so exciting.
Oh. Fun.
Excuse me. This is not a person. No, he's gonna make it. Oh.
Dude, you're gonna get.
I ate the potatoes.
Who ate those? Who ate the potatoes?
The four-legged juries are officially in session. Every passerby is being judged.
Let's go.
And is this what I think it is? Is this a sweet treat? Because it looks like a sweet treat and it smells like.
That's literally a problem.
So this is what we do when we come to Target. And we're supposed to be working, but we're not working.
Are you excited? Oh my god, I can't open the door.
She's so confused.
Oh, it's really thick.
¿Vale? La experiencia os recuerdo que sirve también para subir de
We're here, Balance. Oh my gosh.
He's not just a good boy, he's a civic-minded boy. 10 out of 10 community service. Very advanced, very fast, very green form of transportation. Puppies often form strong attachments to comfort objects.
Are you serious?
Not fighting, they're just practicing to become pro wrestlers.
Come on, puppy, you can do it. Let's go. Come on, girl.
Come on, sweet puppy.
Want a treat?
Plant has an IQ of 2 and got hit in the head with several rocks as a child, but boy, can this guy play.
Turtle, you got your shopping money?
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Play with me, Daddy.
foi o suficiente, não tinha consequências relevantes. Então, pra mim, foi muito claro que eu falei. É sobre essa situação com o Gabriel, e é sobre eu não ter Gabriel, não sei o quê. Quando foi noite, ficou claro que não tinha sido claro. Para algumas pessoas foi super claro, mas para as que não.
My pup is frozen from not being invited to our dinner feast.
Boring, yawning, sloppy, lazy.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Hurry. Hurry. Come on. You gotta get inside. You gotta get inside. Oh, you poor thing.
What are you doing?
Lift up your paw, and that goes into the lake. We're gonna. Oh, Elvis.
Who is that? 安生，安生，安生，安大生，咋的了？
Leah, what are you guys doing?
Why sleep on a bed when your bowl provides such comfort?
Ever hung out with a Chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a Chihuahua? Do you know a Chihuahua personally? I don't believe you. Ever hung out with a Chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a Chihuahua? Do you know a Chihuahua personally? I don't believe you.
Folks, the greatest challenges are often the ones we create for ourselves.
Dude, come here. Help me around. Did I trick you? Hi. Did I trick you? It's just me. It's just...
Dinei seu piolinho. Oi? Tem que tomar cuidado, gente, pra não pisotear um bichinho desse. Parece uma pulga atrás do pai dela, ó.
Exciting! Thank you guys.
Happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
Mira si sos hijo de puta. Mira el quilombo que me hiciste, boludo. Parece como que tuvieras que... Good boy. Come.
No, Ranger, no smiling. No, Ranger.
¿Qué colores son? Amarillo, rojo.
No. Surprised you don't have anything to say about my glasses. You usually don't like things like this.
Excuse me? Take it outside. Out. Take it out. Take it out. Out. Good. Take it out.
Who is that?
Milo, das Ganze ist jetzt ein bisschen zu viel des Guten.
Cannot have more. You cannot have no more cantaloupe.
Oh, hi, Mama. Oh, hi, Mama. What are you doing?
Outside? Oi, I said do not climb up the... Oh my
So it hit Control plus V.
Qu'est-ce que t'as à dire là?
Why sleep on a bed when your bowl provides such comfort? Very advanced, very fast, very green form of transportation.
Taryn, you want to come out to the walk yard for a minute? Oh, good God.
Tell me what you want. Do you want to go home? You want your mommy? Oh.
Вот, что ты сделал?
Happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that. A happy. Oh, that.
What are you doing? Hey!
Okay.
I'm a psycho.
Trying to get dressed for work and there's a cat in my jeans. Viv, what are you doing?
Why are you gonna be so needy all the time? What you want?
Someone please tell the pup that the ball is not its enemy.
Oh my gosh. It's a terrifying ball. I know. I know.
Name? Steve. Scott.
Sign? Hey.
Good boy. Come.
Dinei, seu piolinho. Oi? Tem que tomar cuidado, gente, pra não pisotear um bichinho desse. Parece uma pulga atrás do pai dela, ó.
The four-legged juries are officially in session. Every passerby is being judged. This is the canine version of finding the cold spot on the pillow.
Puppuccino? You want a puppuccino?
Where y'all going?
We're going to Papa.
Oh. He gonna be happy.
There goes Family Robin.
Can I have your paw? Can I have your paw? Can I have your paw?
Oh no, that's a full-on bone. Give that. No. Drop that. Ew! What's the problem? Is there a baby? Do you want that baby?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
Особо опасная апельсиновая корочка.
Cannot have more. You cannot have no more cantaloupe.
Peaches, that's not a real cupcake. That's the cupcake on the blanket. There's no real girly.
Yeah.
Folks, the greatest challenges are often the ones we create for ourselves.
Dude, come here. Tell me where I live.
I don't think he wants it. Give it.
relationship. That's why I trust you, honey.
No one can connect to it high-quality harmony. Just like every 14 minutes, someone signs up on Harmony. Start free today.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Honey.
Come on, puppy, you can do it. Let's go. Come on, girl.
Come on, sweet puppy.
집에 안 간대. 오 마이 갓.
No.
Love you. We love you. I love you. I love you. Oh.
Oh no, that's a full-on bone. Give that. No. Drop that. Ew! What's the problem? Is there a baby? Do you want that baby?
安生，安生，安生，安大生，咋的了？
Name? Steve. Scott.
Are you sleeping?
No. No, Ranger, no smiling. No, Ranger.
Mira si sos hijo de puta. Mira el quilombo que me hiciste, boludo. Parece como que tuviera...
He's never failed to crack us up. Don't forget to share for more funny puppy moments every week.
Fun.
Honestly, this is a level of energy I'll never have.
What are you doing?
Venga, venga, un poquito. Venga, 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 le echo. ¡Ay!
Meet our pro head warmer. He's simply charging up his love batteries.
Freaking mouse in your mouth. No, you drop that now. Pickles, drop it.
Dude, you're gonna get.
Come here, puppies.
Puppies often form strong attachments to comfort objects.
What are you doing? Hey!
Пожалуйста.
Honestly, this is a level of energy I'll never have.